Dogs do speak, but only to those who know how to listen. Dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. Happiness is a warm puppy. When your children are teenagers, it's important to have a dog, so that someone in the house is happy to see you. A house is not a home until it has a dog. Pets understand humans better than humans do. A dog has one aim in life: to bestow his heart. A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Dogs laugh, but they laugh with their tails. Bliss is the result of a silent conversation between me and my dog. Scratch a dog, and you'll find a permanent job. Folk will know how large your soul is by the way you treat a dog. Even the tiniest poodle or chihuahua is still a wolf at heart. Whoever said you can't buy happiness forgot little puppies. If you don't have a dog, at least one, there is not necessarily anything wrong with you, but there may be something wrong with your life. Dogs are better than human beings because they know, but do not tell. The world would be a nicer place if everyone had the ability to love as unconditionally as a dog. My idea of absolutely happiness is to be in bed on a rainy day with my blankie, my cat, and my dog. Home is where the dog runs to greet you.